Flying a drone.
What?
Oh, I just like flying drones.
Yeah, not outside police station.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Oh, I'm really sorry.
Okay.
I'm really, really sorry about that. I should have known better.
No.
So what's your name?
My name's Beth.
Okay. So should I not be doing that?
I don't think it's a great idea. Would you want it outside your house?
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
It's a little thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it up, all right?
Starts with a tense encounter. She immediately intervenes, insisting that filming isn't allowed and warning that others will be called to handle the situation. What stands out isn't only what she says, but how she says it, the tone, the stance, the automatic presumption that the person filming is doing something wrong before any dialogue even begins. There's no mention of any specific law, no effort to explain, just a warning delivered like a threat. From that moment, the tone changes entirely. What could have been a simple exchange turns into a confrontation, setting the stage for everything that unfolds afterward.
I'm a police officer and you're doing this under the police station, so why are you here?
I'm really sorry.
You know that it's a police station, so why are you doing this in here? Is that your drone?
Yeah.
Yeah, you shouldn't be.
Oh, why not? So who are you guys? Like, you're all in plain clothes.
Hang on, right.
What do you mean, hang on? Can you no, get your hand off me.
Can we call a unit, please?
No, hold on, what are you doing? What's going on here? Well, let me land it then.
What is it? Yeah, but put it down now. No, I don't. Because you're looking into the backyard of the police station.
What, is that not allowed?
No, it's not allowed.
Why is it not allowed? Can we all slow down a sec? What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
I'm PC Emily O'Connor.
Emily O'Connor. You know you just put hands on me. You shouldn't really do that without identifying yourself. You could be a civilian.
Yeah. I just identified myself that I'm police.
Yeah, but you just
Can you get some uniform police here, please?
Yeah, we don't need any uniform police. No, I'm leaving, by the way. I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. I'm not.
No, you're not leaving now.
What, am I detained? What's going on?
Well, you're not leaving now.
No, I'm leaving. Are you detaining me? Mind up, sorry.
Well, you just run this into me.
We've only said that you shouldn't be having drones on around the police station.
No, but it's been filmed in the back of the police station.
No, I'm leaving.
No, you're not leaving.
So what happens next is almost unbelievable. As they try to walk away, one simple question cuts through the tension. Am I being detained? The officers hesitate, deflect, and avoid giving a straight answer. It's as if the basic concept of due process is completely lost on them. Not a single officer can name the law they're acting under or provide a valid reason for their actions. Instead, there's just silence, the kind that speaks of authority without understanding. This is policing without principle, a show of power with no foundation in law. Wearing a uniform doesn't excuse ignorance, yet what unfolds here reveals a group of officers either unable or unwilling to justify their conduct. Under Section 2, they are legally required to explain what law they're enforcing and why, but they fail to do so. What remains is a mix of contradictions, evasions, and what appears to be an unlawful detention.
What's going on?
Call the option.
Is anyone calling you?
So what am I detained under? Otherwise, I'm leaving.
We need to know what footage you've got.
No, you don't need to look. You don't need to look at anything.
Yeah, because you're filming the police station.
And I can film it. No, sorry, I'm leaving. Get your hand off me. Don't touch me. Get your hand off me. Are you detaining me under a power? What's going on?
It's yours. That's mine.
Why are you taking photos of me? Am I detained or not?
I didn't call.
We need to get someone.
You just assaulted me numerous times without even detaining me, so what's going on?
You did.
You did? You just tried to grab me.
Because you're trying to run away. We've asked you to.
I'm not trying to run away. I've asked you a question. Am I detained or not? You're saying, oh, you can't leave. You're surrounding me. You're trying to stop me.
Well, you're outside police station.
I can be outside the police station. Yes, of course I can.
Unless you have a police business, which is at the front and not at the back.
I don't have a police business. I don't need to have.
So why are you here?
Because I'm allowed to fly it. I'm allowed to fly it.
No, you're not.
Of course I'm allowed to fly it.
No,
I am allowed to fly it.
Go to the park and fly it, but not over the police station.
You don't own the airspace, do you?
Neither are you. I said go to the park, not
What do you
over
mean
the
go to the park? Are you my
Situation intensifies when one officer confidently claims that flying a drone in the area is prohibited. Yet, once again, no law is cited. No reference is made to Civil Aviation Authority regulations, and the drone code isn't mentioned at all, just a baseless statement presented as fact. In reality, the DJI Mini 2 falls under the sub-250 gram category, which allows it to be flown in most public spaces, including near buildings, provided it doesn't pose a safety risk or enter restricted airspace. Rather than acknowledging this, the officers react as if a major security threat has been launched. This kind of misinformation doesn't protect the public, it damages trust. People rely on officers for accurate, law-based guidance, not for improvised rules backed only by authority and assumption.
And stop filming me.
You just took a photo of me. You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about, like. Why are you all bugging out like this? Just relax.
No, I'm not gonna relax.
Well, you just tried to. You lot have just put hands on me numerous times.
Over the police
I
station.
can't have it over the police station.
Can't.
Who are you? Can you identify yourself?
I already did.
No, you
multiple
didn't.
Times.
No, you
I already
didn't.
did.
Who are you?
Times.
Who are you?
Can we have a uniform officer in here, please?
No, you lot are moving mad. I'm leaving. You still haven't told me what I'm detaining me. You put hands on me numerous times. I'm not very happy with. I'm not very happy. I'm not. Well, of course I can run away. You haven't. You haven't.
So agitated.
I'm getting agitated because you lot have surrounded me.
Ask your question. Why are you?
No. I don't feel comfortable right now. I feel very scared. I feel very scared. You lot surrounded me.
You're scared. You're pathetic.
Why am I pathetic? You lot have grabbed me, put hands on me.
You've tried to run away when we've asked.
What do you mean try to? I can run. It's a free country. If I want to run, I can run. All right, see ya. If I want to run, I can run. Guess what? I can walk where I want. How about that?
That's fine. We've got your photo.
You got my photo. Now what? No, I need to make a complaint certainly about you and about this lady putting hands on me and that.
You do.
What do you mean? Of course I do. You just put hands on me.
Well, you would.
Oh, what? Because I flew a drone. What?
Yeah,
it's illegal.
over the
It's a legal
police-
activity.
yeah,
It's
it
a legal
is.
activity. I'm going to do it again.
Do you have a license to
Yes.
fly this? Oh,
Yes, I do. I have an operator ID. You don't need a license to fly a drone that's under 250 grams. It's 250 grams, so I can fly it wherever I like.
Well, we need a police officer. We don't need a PCSO in here.
That's very rude, actually.
Do really nothing.
No, but we've asked him to call. Asked her to call it in.
So there's nothing like funny going on here.
But what's
I need
the
to.
reason?
Can you write me down your collar number, please, so I can make a complaint?
What was the reasoning behind flying it over?
Because I want to do it.
But why?
It's my freedom to do it. I'd like to do
What
it.
do you want to look at? Do you not know that that's like a terrorism threat and things like
No, I
that?
don't think I can see all that on Google Earth as well. Yeah. So it doesn't really make any sense. So I'm going to get the drone back up now. I don't want to be interfered with again. If we can just leave it at that, that would be great.
No, you can't because it's the police station. So I don't want you to fly over the police station.
No, I'm going to get it back up right now. I'll put it away because I don't know what you lot are going to do.
Go to the park with that.
I don't want to do it in the park. I want to have a look inside there. Yeah, I want to look in there. Yeah.
Okay, then so we can get a uniform unit and you can get nicked for it.
You get nicked for what? What's the crime?
Yeah, for under terrorist act.
Yeah.
There
What
you
section?
go.
Which section?
Then comes a moment that borders on the absurd. She casually invokes the word terrorism as if it's a universal excuse for any action, yet can't even specify which section of the Terrorism Act she's referring to. Using such a serious term without any legal basis is not only careless but deeply unprofessional. In doing so, she doesn't just damage her own credibility. She misuses one of the most serious legal powers granted to law enforcement. This isn't the responsible application of law. It's an attempt to intimidate through confusion. And rather than reinforcing her authority, it exposes a lack of knowledge, preparation, and confidence in her own position.
Recording me.
So what? Because you're looking like a fool. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, because
You're just playing with your hair and that, man. Why didn't you answer some questions? So which section of the Terrorism Act? Is it section 43? See, the difference between me and you, I know what I'm talking about, you don't.
do you now?
Of course I know
So
what I'm talking about. Would
why
I
are
come
you
here and
here?
film if I didn't know what I was talking about? Would I come and do this if I didn't know what I was talking about? You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about. You're looking a bit silly in the process. I suggest you just leave me to do what I need to do, and we just leave it at that, forget this happened. But I'm still definitely going to make a complaint about you because you just tried to touch me and grab me. If I didn't jerk away, there's no telling what might have happened, so...
yeah, clearly.
Would you two mind identifying yourselves?
My shoulder number's right there.
This is not professional, is it? Could you just say your name?
No, we don't say it.
My name,
You don't have to identify.
My name's on here.
Yeah,
And
it's
my
just
shoulder
very
number too.
unprofessional. Is the whole station like this? Very poor. Have you got a designation card?
That's what these are for.
That's what you need. That's all you need.
That's what you don't need a designation card that lists what police powers you have. You don't need that either.
Throughout the exchange, the auditor continues to ask direct and reasonable questions. This isn't hostility. It's the rightful exercise of every citizen's legal protections. His persistence is important because when officers respond with vague answers or avoid responding altogether, it often signals misconduct or an unlawful stop. By continuing to question them, he demands accountability. And in refusing to answer, the officers don't strengthen their authority, they reveal their lack of justification.
Who is flying the drone?
She was. So we're not showing designation cards, no?
I don't have to show my designation.
You don't? You're sure about that?
Card is what I have on the car with me.
So you don't have a card there that shows your... So may I see it? So I can see. I'm speaking to her, I'm not speaking to you.
Mate, can I understand why you're flying it? I'm a police sergeant. Can I understand why you're flying the drone? Yeah.
So who are you?
I've just identified who I am. I said I'm a sergeant.
Yeah, because I wanted to do it.
You wanted to fly a drone into our premises?
Yeah.
Why? I just want to
Because I can do it. I wanted to have a look in there.
Should look into the police station. Have you got any reason for that?
No reason, just recreation. It's a hobby.
Near police buildings.
In a police building?
Yeah. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, it's you.
Am I free to go, yeah?
It's you that is flying the drone.
So you're a sergeant, can you take my complaint? So a few of your colleagues and that, they put hands on me and stuff like that when
obviously we
you can't just put hands on me though, can you? Look, you're in plain clothes, I didn't even know you're police. But do you know what I mean? I have a right to defend myself. What would happen if I put hands on you?
I bet she have identified herself.
Regardless, they didn't tell me I was detained. You can't just come and start putting hands on me without telling me I'm detained. So I'm not detained right now, I can go, yeah?
No, if you stand over...
No, I don't need to stand nowhere.
Hey, listen.
Don't make me nothing. Call me sir for one, and if you're going to detain me, tell me I'm being...
Comes the breaking point. One officer initially cites Section 1 of PACE, a search power meant for situations involving suspected stolen property or weapons. But moments later, without any explanation, he abandons that claim and starts scrolling through his phone to read Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Yes, you heard that right. Googling the law in the middle of an interaction. That's not a minor slip. It's deeply concerning. Section 43 authorizes a stop and search only when there's reasonable suspicion that a person is involved in terrorism. Yet in this case, there were no grounds, no identified threat, and no intelligence to justify it. Just a camera and a drone. This isn't mere confusion. It's a blatant misuse of legal authority and a troubling example of how easily serious legislation can be distorted when officers act without proper understanding.
You ain't going to put hands on me?
No, I will not be, but we would like to understand why...
You're not going to put hands on me? You don't need to understand nothing. Tell me that I'm detained under something and I'll stay. If not, then I'm not staying nowhere. So come on, someone needs to do something now, innit?
Sorry, who have you called?
The girls are trying to call.
There's no point. If you put hands on me, I'm gonna push you out the way.
I haven't put my hands on you.
If you try and stop me from leaving, I'm gonna push you out the way. If you put hands on me, I'm gonna push you out the way as well. I'm just telling you preemptively. If anyone puts hands on me, you're gonna get put off me. Do you understand?
Right. I do not.
Yeah?
I do not want to escalate.
All right. Good. So don't stand in my way. No. If you put hands on me, hold on. So what's going on? No. If you put hands on me, get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me.
On your radio, can you use
Yes.
Look at all this.
Officer on the radio.
Don't put hands on me.
Can I
don't put hands on me. You don't have to understand nothing.
He was flying a drone over.
Right. You cannot just fly a drone. I want to understand. Listen. Okay, I'm detaining you. Can I understand? Why are you
don't need to understand anything. What are you expecting to find? You've just searched me under Section 1 of PACE. What are you expecting to find?
Where's the drone that you have?
This is none of your business.
So because this is a police premises, can I have your radio? One of you, can I have your radio? When who spoke to him before?
Am I detained or not? Are you not meant to be searching me right now?
Who
Are you not meant to be searching me right now?
Can I find out?
You just said Section 1 of PACE.
Mel with a drone at Green Police Station, who's now kicking off, causing a bit of a problem.
I haven't kicked off, done nothing, man. Just let me go, man. What the fuck is this? Let me go.
Right, can I put 1 second, please? Can you relax, please?
I'm relaxed.
Please relax.
You've got no right to be stopping me search me right now.
Because you cannot be.
So are you trying to find prohibited items? Are you trying to find drugs?
mate.
Are you trying to find weapons? I don't understand. Well, what are you trying to find? You're talking about Section 1 of PACE, but I don't know what you're trying to find. At least let me know what are the grounds for the search and what you're expected to find. You just put grabbing me up and that, not letting me go, and now telling me section 1 of pace. What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
You want me to?
Because you were putting hands on that on me as well.
I didn't touch you.
Well, you were.
What do you expect? You are at the back of the police station flying a drone. So what do you expect is going to happen? Can you please explain it to me? What do you expect is going to happen? That the police officers coming to duty will just walk past you and they will let you fly your drone over the police station? Is it that what you expect? But is it that's what you expect? Nothing's going to happen, yeah?
Well, I don't expect this. I certainly don't expect. I certainly don't expect
so
this.
you very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect this.
Well, you caused it. You caused it.
Well, I asked
there,
you to put hands on me
therefore,
and
you
me
are in a position where you are at the moment.
Section 1 of pace. I did that, did I?
Yes,
You're the one that launched with all this paranoia, all this crazy shit. Like,
well, yeah, because you were flying from over the police station.
You could have just waited for some comms, but instead you just wanted to launch.
He stopped and said, why are you flying the drone?
You know, I don't think you're in the right job. Like, you're just too emotional, too crazy. Like, and now you put him in a sticky situation. Do you know what I mean?
What sticky situation, mate?
Because bro, you just messed up, bro. You just put hands on me, section 1 of pace. All out. So what are the grounds for the search? So I'm detained now, yeah? I'm detained under section 1 of pace.
Yeah.
But no one's speaking to you.
I need to find out what's going on, please. Just
so you can't detain me to find out what's going on, Sergeant?
Listen, if you're flying a drone, what they have told me, if you have flown a drone into this premise,
but how does that suggest that I got weapons or drugs or stolen goods on me?
I want to know what.
So why have you used section 1 power?
I need to.
Answer the question. No, answer the question, please. I have a right to know why you've used the section 1 power.
It's his powers. He can use the powers he wants. They're not your powers, aren't they?
Well, all right. I have a right to know why he's using the power.
Well, he
as
gave,
a citizen
he
who's subject to the same power. He didn't give me anything.
He gave you.
You just put him in a situation where he felt like he had to detain me. He couldn't think on the spot, so he's come up with section 1 of pace. What the hell is going on here? Why have none of you lot in uniform as well? Could you please stop interjecting? No, I understand, but you're familiar with section 1 of pace. You've used section 1 of pace. Is it a search power or is it a stop power?
If he feels as if he needs to use section 1 of pace,
it's not really answering the question, is it? It's not about feelings, is it? It's not about I feel like I want to use section 1 of pace.
I don't need to answer it.
Then why are you answering?
If he feels he needs to use his section 1 pace power, he can use his section 1 pace.
It's not good. It's not good, Patel, man. Okay, like, you should know better than that, bro. Come on. You know it's a search power. We all know it's a search power.
I know it's a search.
So all right. So what's this right now?
Okay.
What's going on right now?
Detained by him, but I can't justify his action.
No, you don't have any sort of idea, any sort of opinion?
That's up to him.
I'm not asking you to justify anything. I'm just asking you. We can all agree that it's a search power.
One, but I have to stop you now under section 42 of the Terrorism Act.
So am I still detained under section 1?
No, you're not detained under section 1.
Okay, so I'm free to go now, yeah?
No, you're not free. But I can tell you now,
okay,
you've been detained under section 43 of the Terrorism. Now, I will need to see that what you're videoing. I have to review it. Then if we are happy, then I can give it back to you. But at the moment, you've been detained on that section, okay?
And if I don't give it to you?
I will have, you know what is going to.
What's going to happen?
Listen, mate, listen. All I want is, I just want us to do this amicably.
Well, we haven't really dealt with it very amicably. Like, you've tried to, but why have you been dragged into this situation? Should have just kept it moving.
Sergeant. If anything is happening in my station,
but nothing's happening in your station.
Obviously, but
so do you think I'm a terrorist? Do you suspect I'm a terrorist right now? What does that mean? Do you suspect I'm a terrorist? You don't know. There needs to be some objective basis. No, I don't want to be handcuffed. I don't want to be handcuffed.
No,
get your hand off me. All right, under duress. Get your hand off me. Under duress. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you.
Please.
Because if not, you're going to seize it from me, yeah? So this is the one that was plugged into the controller.
Can I see the device you're using, please?
This is a drone.
This is a drone. Can I... Listen, mate.
Go on, look.
Thank you. Yeah, we have to review everything. Has anybody got a bag here?
What do I evidence?
Yeah, evidence bag, please.
Why do you want evidence bag? You're gonna seize it?
Yes.
You're seizing it all, yeah?
Yes. Including the GoPro. Yeah.
Why? You just said you wanted to review the footage.
Yeah, that's why. Is it not what I said?
Yeah. Say again?
We will in our own time.
Yeah.
In your own time.
Where does this all lead? The law is straightforward. Flying a drone that weighs under 250 grams in public airspace, even near a police station, is completely legal. For officers to detain or search someone, they must have reasonable grounds and follow established procedures. That includes properly identifying themselves, clearly stating the law they're acting under, and ensuring that any physical action they take is both necessary and proportionate. The Terrorism Act isn't a tool to be used at convenience. It's reserved for genuine high-level threats. This incident underscores deeper concerns about how police engage with the public and where the boundaries of their authority truly lie. The right to film in public, to ask questions, and to receive lawful explanations are not privileges, they're protected rights. When those rights are ignored, it becomes the responsibility of informed citizens to question, document, and demand accountability. If this analysis helped you understand the issue better, consider subscribing and sharing. It helps keep awareness and honest discussion alive.